Today is September 3rd. This is a recap from yesterday, September 2nd video on MailChimp and getting a MailChimp RSVP button to embed into a MailChimp template. So the quick recap is I used a personal calendar. That personal calendar was Mandy at techvader.com. She is here. She's the screen here, or the first actor in this quick vignette on the demo. I'm going to pull that back. She sent this message here to create@calendarsnack.com. That's an API gateway of ours. This disassembles the calendar invite and gets it ready to be sent with the RSVP button. So after sending it to this service, create@calendarsnack.com, the data is ingested into the Calendar Snack dashboard. So the quick recap is this is Mandy's personal calendar. This is Mandy's Calendar Snack engine. This Calendar Snack event organizer dashboard itself is her display mechanism, and her get mechanism to get the RSVP button. This RSVP button code will be inserted into this MailChimp over here. So these three panels here starting on the left. Mandy's Google Calendar, Mandy's Event Organizer Dashboard for Calendar Snack, and then Mandy's MailChimp template right here. And this is where she's an owner of the MailChimp campaign. So she's the organizer for all three. And what I'm going to do is pick up off the video from yesterday, which I sent out the campaign itself, and the actor downstream is the recipient on the MailChimp list. So when Mandy organized and set up this MailChimp demo, she basically inserted this button here. And what she did was she went in and got the code for MailChimp here, RSVP button. She went down here to the Philadelphia Eagles versus the Cowboys. She copied this link here. This link is the calendar invitation for this particular football game. And she built an offer into this campaign here. She essentially inserted this copy code into this button here. And when this button is clicked, the calendar invite goes out. So let's just pick it up right there with Zach. Zach received this MailChimp campaign downstream. You see it right here in this window. I'll make it a little bigger. And when he clicked this button here, he's sent to a landing page. And then in his email, he receives the calendar invitation itself. So this is what happens with the Calendar Snack technology with the RSVP button, and the button contains the calendar invitation. So we're going to go back to Zach's email box, and when you look at his email box here, he received this calendar invitation and he said yes to it. Now Mandy's tracking it over here in the, I'll put this away here. Mandy's tracking it here in her Calendar Snack dashboard. And when I go up to the view events and I go down to the particular game here in Mandy's Calendar Snack dashboard, you can see that Zach has responded back yes, and we're tracking a full yes accepted to the event. Now, we're going to pick up here on September 3rd where Mandy goes into her calendar, which again, this particular calendar invitation off her personal calendar is communicating with the Calendar Snack engine. The Calendar Snack engine itself is communicating downstream with Zach. So if Mandy was to change anything on this here, as I scroll down, make it a little bigger here so you all can see it. What I'm going to do is make the screen maybe a little smaller. Okay, I'm not sure that'll work. There you go. That does work. I'm going to go ahead and add the booth details. So the booth number now is, we're playing through this demo. Zach has this calendar invitation, and he is going to be at the game since Mandy parsed him out as a VIP customer. And she's going to update this by sending out, hey booth, or hey Zach, the booth is booth 345 now. So she's going to update this calendar invitation saying you're going to get this $125 jersey if you stop by booth 345. So I'm going to put here in the field, booth update. And I'm going to put in 345. So the importance of this is when Mandy hits save, this data goes to the engine here in the Calendar Snack dashboard. And what happens, you'll see here in the screen as I buy a little time, you'll see here in the message itself that I'm going to hit refresh, and this data now will be in this message here. So you see the booth is here, and the event message here, the event message up here, and location has been updated. So the booth update is 345, the booth is 345. So how does this mean anything to Zach downstream? Well, Mandy, the organizer upstream, changed this data. We know that she's tracking it in view events. Under view events, she is looking at this here and saying, well, Zach already has it on his calendar. I'm going to send this update. So I just sent it up downstream, if you will. So what does this look like for Zach? Well, Zach received the update right here, and you'll see that Zach's update is booth update 345, and the booth now is 345. So Zach now knows to go to booth 345 to pick up his free $125 jersey, which was part of the VIP offer of the MailChimp template. That's the end of the demo. Thanks.